As you can see, it is snowing pretty hard in Jefferson, and I thought I'd take a little video of this. Look at this. This is the snow that should have been here at Christmas, but it decided to arrive a little late this year. So, there you go. Look at that. And here's my deck. See that? Wow. Woo. See there? Oh. I'll spin this around. There's some more pictures. Here's my dog Jack. As you see, Jefferson is getting a lot of snow. And this was to be expected, but boy, we're really getting blasted. So, there you go. I'll put this on Facebook so you can see this.